Alright, got the FMS T-28. Go with one tick of flaps on it, even though we don't really need it on this. Really calm day. I'm gonna walk on down here first. Taking off. Gears are up, flaps are up. Just got through flying the little park zone T-28. It's a really fun flyer too. I thought you was going to catch that, Jim, when it come by. I'm trying to make it through the football field goals there. Well, that is true. I've still got 3 or 4 at home that needs some work done on them. I've sold about, I guess, about 8 airplanes in the last 2 months. Sold them pretty cheap, but I could buy me a jet by now. No, I didn't order it yet. Oh yeah, I wanted it, yeah. But I just never got off my keister and made the order. You sure you don't want to try this, Jim? It's a wonderful flyer. This one right now is a 4-cell 4-cell 3700. I brung a 3700 and a 4000. But you know, it flies on a 5-cell or a 6-cell or this 4-cell. I find that flying it on a 5-cell is a sweet spot though. Yeah, 5 has got almost unlimited vertical. 4 it runs out pretty quick. Here, I'll show you. There's full throttle, level flight, and going up. Right there, she just ran out. The 5-cell should keep on climbing. Alright, guess I better set her in for a landing. Do a gear pass here in front of us. Do what now?
It went upside down.
Whoa, there went one tire. That was a cushy landing.
got a set screw.
Oh, it broke off. Yeah.
Did it break? See the set screw?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Well,
So
I
maybe just a
I
little-
did dump it in pretty good though.
I don't brag about all my landings.
Well, that one I can't brag about.
No.
I know what I did though. I thought I had my flaps on. I went up to move my lever and I moved it the wrong way. And it actually put them on.
Well,
And this thing on full flaps, it climbs up like a big balloon. So I flipped it back down and then it just was too low and didn't have enough lift. So it was a bonehead move.
I didn't look around for anything else. I hope nothing's laying it out there.
Well, I think if it was laying out there, it'd be too small for us to see.
But
Let me get this top cover off.
I'll take a new one, but I bet you can use that. Can't tell. Set screw's still in it, I'm pretty sure. Well, no, I don't know what that thing said. Oh, you did break it, probably.
Yeah, probably so.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it goes right back in.
What's gonna hold it though?
There's a set screw
Okay.
that I don't have no more.
Yeah, I dug out batteries last night I didn't even know I had.
Oh yeah?